Hey guys, let me show you what is payment integrations. So integrations, this is built-in payments into Workee. We currently support Stripe and PayPal as our payment integrations, and the way it works with Workee is the following. For example, you already have your Stripe account, or maybe you have your personal PayPal account. You can just click connect, and in this case, you will connect your personal Stripe and PayPal account directly to your Workee account. And every time when you are getting paid by your customers, or maybe you are sending invoice for your customers to pay, they are sending money directly to your Stripe personal account or directly to your PayPal personal account. So you are getting paid directly without any delays and without any other hidden fees directly to your accounts that you connected. So this is very straightforward way how to get paid, and Workee automatically checks when the meeting is paid, when the order is confirmed. So we are sending all the notification and confirmations automatically thanks to this integration. As you can see here is a small description, 5 steps how built-in payment work, and I hope you're gonna enjoy payments with Workee. Thank you.